What's the meaning of bruiser? Bruiser. Bruiser.
Bruiser. Bruiser. The term bruiser typically refers to a person who is large and strong, and has a tendency to use their physical size and strength to intimidate or dominate others. This can be used in a variety of contexts, such as sports, referring to a physically imposing athlete; politics, referring to a powerful politician who uses their influence to get what they want; or even in everyday life, referring to someone who tends to get their way through forceful means. Overall, the term carries a somewhat negative connotation, implying that the person in question may not always play fair or respect the rights of others.